Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so the process doesn't stall. Install Apple Configurator and sign in with the Apple ID tied to your organization. Make sure the iPad runs the latest iOS and has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth active because Configurator uses both for discovery and deployments. Plug in one device now with a cable and open the app. You'll see devices appear. Once done, tap the device to begin enrollment so you can move directly into preparing profiles and supervision without extra setup loops. You now prepare devices by loading the profiles and selecting supervision options. This is where control and consistency are set. Create or import Wi-Fi, VPN, restrictions, and MDM enrollment payloads so every device receives the same policies. Select the device and choose Actions, then Prepare. Pick supervision and the appropriate MDM server, and make sure to include certificates and apps. Once you apply auto advance and naming templates, the process scales neatly. Make sure device screens stay awake and connected until Configurator finishes installing each payload and app. You finish by confirming enrollment and resolving any hiccups so devices operate as intended. Check the MDM console to ensure each device shows online status and the expected profiles and apps. This validates both install and policy enforcement. If an install fails, re-prepare or restore the device. Start by checking the cable, iOS version, and that your MDM certificate is valid. If problems persist, reboot the iPad, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or perform a full restore from Configurator. Then retry the prepare sequence to complete deployment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.